we gonna do track mode this whole time. Sorry neighbors, I gotta do it one time. There's a cop station up here, so I gotta take it easy, so. Turn right here and get it on the highway. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get to the highway for y'all real quick. Do a little highway. See, one thing y'all don't know about me is that with my truck, I probably got like 3-4 speeding tickets. So I'm like, that's why I got to be careful, you know. So that's the only thing that really holds me back. That's why I don't really speed a lot of my videos, because I'm already like on my strike 3 pretty much. So if I get one more speeding ticket, then my license is probably going to be gone, unless I go to court and try to fight it and reduce the points or whatever. This car is a gift and a curse to me right now. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! The back end kind of this car is so much fun, man. I'm gonna try and get on the highway, man. But I'm just gonna tell y'all now, like, look, if y'all have never had anything fast before, you know, you guys are looking at like Z01s, Hellcats, Dodge Demons, all that good stuff. If you guys want to get that type of car, you financially able to do it, then get it. But just be careful, man, because, you know, this 455 horsepower right here, this is fast enough for me right now. And you know, down the road, I do plan on, you know, getting something faster, but I'm learning with this car right now. Like, man, you got to be able to like I think I said in a couple videos before, it's levels, man. Like, you got to be able to crawl before you can walk. So this is definitely the car I think to start off with. So, but I'm actually thinking, well, I am going to take it to a track. I'm gonna take it to Road America and take some classes on it, learn how to drive it better and all that good stuff, so I won't end up in damn the hospital or end up in jail. So, that's the jail right there. But I wanted to come out here and do a POV, another one. This is my third one. The second one wasn't that good because it was raining, and I just like, you know what, screw it. I'm just, you know, just do it anyway. But you know, the roads are dry, the weather is nice. It is 66 degrees in Wisconsin, so I was like, screw it, you know, I'm gonna come out here and put it in track mode. And look, one thing I want to show you guys, when you put it in let's say I put it in sport, look at the color change. Or touring, it's gonna change to blue. Snow and ice, I don't know what that one is. Oh, look at that. And then track, that's pretty cool. So we're gonna keep it in track for this video and have some more fun with it. So, but again, I just got to be careful out here because I know there's hella cops. There's a riot / protest going on in Milwaukee, so I know there's cops all up and down probably the highways and stuff like that. So I got to be careful. I don't want to get a ticket, end up losing my license. So, but I'm doing this for y'all, man. Whoever watching this, you know, no risk, no reward. So, actually, you know, I turn this on for y'all too. Look at that. I'm gonna keep this on as well. I keep forgetting about that, man. I said I was gonna use that more because I was ungrateful that I had it in the past and then it ended up breaking. I'm like, dang, I really should have used that thing. But now that it's back in, so let's see if this car speed up. Ah, man, I'm sorry, y'all. Look, I'm trying to. So look, I'm gonna show y'all every cop's right on the other side of this bridge. That's cool, right? I didn't think the highway would be so crowded. I'll get back over. Man, I really hope y'all can hear this engine. I don't know if I rolled down the window. Nah, that's too loud probably. Let's see. Trying to find out, should I go in this lane? Oh yeah, let's see. Make sure no cut. So you gotta drive it accordingly. Look, man, hit this corner real quick. I had that nice farm. Look, man, I ain't no pro out here. My hands are sweaty. I ain't gonna lie. So come on, man. Get on my way. Get on my way. I'm trying to hit it. Oh yeah, baby. Check my back, watch my back, check ahead, make sure ain't no cops. I'm doing this for y'all, man. You know, I'm gonna get off right here. I'm gonna get off right here, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Doing this for y'all. Sheesh. All right. Whoa, Nelly. Sheesh. Man, my hands are sweaty, dog. I think I got up to like 120 something. I'm not sure. Look, I really hope y'all enjoying this video. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. The grind don't stop. I could have been at home right now, been on my third bowl of cereal, but I decided to get my fat tail up and come do this video, man. You know, but if y'all haven't already, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Give me the 200 followers, well, subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough for watching my videos, and actually you guys have been awesome commenting on all my stuff. I can't thank y'all enough, man. Like I said, just if you're new to my channel, go back and check my my old videos, and I got a decent amount out now, a decent amount of videos out right now. And yeah, man, I'm having fun with this car, like I've been saying, enjoying every second of it, every penny, you know. So like I said, I will be doing that giveaway. If you watched my last video, I said I was doing a giveaway, and make sure you guys go comment on that video and have the chance to win a gift card from Best Buy. POV for y'all, all in track mode, boom. So if you guys are watching this, man, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And this is your dream car. If a Camaro, whatever trim level is your dream car, you know, get it. It's worth it, man. No cap. It is worth it. You know, if it's for looks, you're going to get the looks. If it's for the speed, it's there, man. You get the whole package, man. You know what I'm saying? Everything is there. So work hard for this car, get it, man. It's very, very possible. Come up with the, look at this bozo. Come on, man, get on my way. Come up with the right game plan and stick to it, man. And don't let anybody discourage you from everybody pulling out in front of me, man. Yeah, man, just work hard for it, man. I'm having so much fun, and I hope you guys are, you know, living through me until you get yours. You know, that's the whole point of this YouTube page, is just to, you know, be able to inspire other people and motivate people to get their dream car, man. That's the whole point of this car, this YouTube page, man. I ain't get this car to brag, to boast, to look cool. Ain't about that at all, man. You know, I'm not getting this car to impress the ladies. I already got a girlfriend, so I don't give two shits if a girl is checking me out in this car. Like, you know, I already got a girlfriend, or, you know, I got the car that I want, man. This is just, like I said, this is for you guys. But I only got this car because I just wanted to prove to myself that I can do it, and I wanted to just really use this car as a platform to inspire people, man. So if you're watching my videos, man, you don't have your dream car yet, man, get it, work hard. What's that? Oh, you see, did you guys see that? Oh fuck, is this a cop car? I think he got me. Oh, look, y'all, I think that's a cop car. I don't know. But did y'all hear that thing? That's what I was talking about, like, in one of my videos. Oh, no, it ain't a cop car. He gonna keep going. Woo! But that sound, in one of my videos, I said that, you know, if you're coming up too fast to a car, it's going to make a collision alert, a collision warning sound. And that was it right there, because I was too paranoid watching my rear view camera. Let me hop out real quick, show y'all. Actually, you know what? I'm going to get this camera too. This thing all under the seat, man. So I'm going to hop out for y'all real quick and give y'all a little walk around of the car as usual. See that? Subscribe to Diverse Car Guy. You know what I want to do? I want to get another one of these. I wish they had like a I've been looking. I wish they had like a like a black one with like SS right here in red. That'd be cool, or something like that, or 2SS, you know. But the tow hook still looking good. It's not going nowhere. Hop back in. Oh yeah. And just like that, that's all I got for you guys in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, nice and fun. It's actually I think that's the best POV I ever did so far. So I thank you guys so much. Feel free to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, man. Get me up to 200. I'm on the road to 1,000, man. I'm doing my best, man. The grind don't stop. So thank you guys so much, and God bless.